Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial about how to make a AI generated script to create a really quick, faceless, entertaining YouTube video that you can post within minutes. All I did was I went to ChatGPT and asked them, write me a voiceover script of a 2-minute YouTube video I can make of funny dad jokes. And it gave me a script. All I did was copy this script of the jokes. And before I left, I said, make a matching thumbnail image for YouTube wide. And look at that. It creates an awesome thumbnail for me within seconds. So I copied all this information and I'm going to go back over to CapCut and create new project. At the bottom, you'll see script to video. Click on script to video. And here you will just paste in that text that you got from ChatGPT. I did clean it up a little bit so that there aren't little notes that they populated in the text about adding different sound effects. I really just kept the words and the content itself. So I have 888 characters. I'm going to click next. And from here, it's time
for Dad J.
From here, you can choose an AI generated voice to go along with your words. So I really like this Mad Penguin. I think he's funny. So you can choose the person you want voice to read your text. It's time for Dad J. I am going to choose the Mad Penguin, and if you do is
time for Dad J.
If you click on it again, you can adjust the speed if you want him to talk faster or slower. I'm going to leave it as is and click next. And now this is the really cool part where you can add stock media to go behind your images, and the stock media will be somewhat related to what your words say. So it just browses. I think it uses AI features to find the right content to display behind your text. It's not perfect, but it is very, very helpful and fast. If you don't want to do the match stock media, you can just upload your own media or show more, and you can choose to add later media to your video later. I'm going to choose the match stock media just to show you how awesome it is. It's going to analyze your video and match your media to your script, generate captions, generating voiceover, adding music. And then it auto matches as the last step. Okay, I can see that it added my text at the very bottom. I sort of want to move it up to the middle and make it bigger. So I'm just going to make it bigger so the text stands out more. And I'm going to click style at the bottom. Let's see what style they chose. Oh, that's not that bad. Oh, looks like it's getting cut off here. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Still getting cut off. I'm going to make it smaller here too. All right, let's just see what happens. I'm going to change style, change it to something a little bit brighter.
It's time for...
Okay. And regenerate. All right, I'm going to push play and see what it looks like, and then we can tweak it from there.
It's time for Dad Jokes. Buckle up. Let's get unreasonably proud of some very unreasonable jokes.
Okay. Yes, it's not perfect, but it is an excellent first place to start, where you can just go in here and edit some of the words, some of the timing of it, and the sizing. And look at that, within minutes, I have a video that I can post as a YouTube video or on any other social media streams. I hope this helps somebody. And here's the final version of the clip we edited in about 5 minutes.
It's time for Dad Jokes! Let's get unreasonably proud of some very unreasonable jokes! I only know 25 letters of the alphabet. I don't know why. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. My wife told me I should do lunges to stay in shape. That would be a big step forward. I asked my dog, what's the -2? He said nothing. Yeah, these jokes are clean because I told them in the shower. Remember, it's not a bad joke if it's told with confidence and cargo shorts.